So hello, hi everyone, this is सिद्धि मुखर्जी डायरेक्टली होस्टिंग फ्रॉम आदर्श विद्या मंदिर। तो आज है हमारा साइंस आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन और ये है फीमेल स्टाफ रूम जहाँ पे सब खचर खचर चल रहा है। मैं आपको आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं किस तरह से हमारे बच्चे कितने सुंदर सुंदर क्राफ्ट्स एंड साइंस के लिए जो मेहनत की, जो इनका महीनों का मेहनत है, जो क्या बनाते हैं वो चीज़ हम लोग देखने वाले हैं। तो पहले देखते हैं प्रिपरेशन कैसे। ये है हमारे कंप्यूटर रूम का सुबह साइंस क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन के दिन और आज भी यहाँ पे प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है। कंप्लीट नहीं है आप लोग हंस रहे हैं। दिस इज हाउ द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ आदर्श विद्या मंदिर स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग ऑन। क्राउड क्रश हड़बड़ी सब चीजें हैं, सब चीजें, और किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है यू कैन सी। ये हमारे आज के होस्ट जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं आज का होस्टिंग का। तो सर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप?
सर बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं, एकदम पूरी तरह से तैयार है।
बिल्कुल एंकर की तरह महसूस करे लगता है।
एकदम बहुत अच्छा।
मेरा तो फर्स्ट टाइम है एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर इट एंड थैंक यू सर फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
थैंक यू मैम, हम लोगों को भी हर साल बहुत खुशी होती है इसी तरीके से। फिर मिलते हैं। किस तरह बच्चे अभी भी ध्यान से अपने काम पे लगे हुए हैं क्योंकि काम कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है इनका। हाँ समय तो लगना है ऑब्वियसली। चलिए देखते हैं। और ये रूपा मैम दिखी हैं, पूछते हैं वो कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं। बहुत बच्चों को डांट रही हैं। रूपा मैम बताइए कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं?
अभी तक तो बच्चे लोग जस्ट लगा ही रहे हैं, लेकिन उसमें भी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। बच्चे को हम ऐसा बोले हैं कि वे डिवाइड हो जाए और हर एक पार्ट को एक एक बच्चे एक्सप्लेन करें।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
मैं आशा करती हूँ हमारे स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा रहेगा और हमारे जजेस को भी पसंद आएंगे, गेस्ट को भी पसंद आएंगे।
और सजल सर हड़बड़ी में, क्योंकि हर लास्ट मोमेंट पे कोई सामान का जुगाड़ करना हो तो ये कर लेते हैं हर बार। तो रिबन छूट गया है, रिबन लेके आ रहे हैं। और इन सब चीज़ों में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है हमारे आदर्श विद्या मंदिर का ये जो साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन है, इसका सबसे अच्छी बात ये होती है कि यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट विनर होते हैं उसको एक अच्छा खासा रकम मिलता है। रकम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बस ये समझ लीजिए कि बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स का हेल्प कर सकते हैं। 4 से 5 महीने का फीस लमसम में कम हो जाएगा उनका। उसी तरह से जो सेकंड आते हैं उनको भी एक बहुत अच्छा प्राइस मिलता है, थर्ड जो आते हैं उनको भी मिलता है। ये डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकते बट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली समझ लीजिए जो फर्स्ट आते हैं जो ग्रुप, उनका 3 to 4-5 मंथ्स का फीस जो है वो कंप्लीटली माफ हो जाता है। इसी तरीके से आदर्श विद्या मंदिर ऐसा बहुत सारे इवेंट कराते हैं जहाँ पे बच्चों को एक अपने पेरेंट्स को गिफ्ट देने का मौका मिलता है। जैसे इंग्लिश स्पोकन कंपटीशन हो गया, साथ ही साथ इंग्लिश स्पोकन में जो विनर आता है उसका पूरे साल का फीस माफ होता है। जो हर क्लास में फर्स्ट आते हैं उनके पास भी एक बहुत अच्छा सुनहरा मौका रहता है कि वो अपने फीस को आधा कर सके, या सेकंड आते हैं उनको भी एक अच्छा प्राइज़ मिलता है। तो इस कारण से बच्चों में जो उत्साह है वो बहुत बढ़ता है। उनको एक चाह रहती है कि भैया हम फर्स्ट आए, और फर्स्ट आएंगे तो क्या होगा, पेरेंट्स को, हर बच्चे का एक ड्रीम होता है कि वो अर्न नहीं करते ना, वो अपने पेरेंट्स को कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट देना चाहते हैं। अब जो गिफ्ट देना चाहते हैं उसके लिए वो अर्न करना है पैसे। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी कि अपना पढ़ाई को लेकर के, अपने साइंस को, अपने कला को लेकर के आप अपने पेरेंट्स को गिफ्ट दे सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू। देखिए यहाँ का चहल पहल, भाग दौड़। सारे गाइज एंड बेल्स। ये स्कूल कंटेंट है, चैनल के लिए नहीं।
अच्छा, स्कूल
बोलना है?
नहीं है। बोलना है क्या?
बिल्कुल, आप अगर बोलना चाहे बिल्कुल कुछ कह सकते हैं। कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप?
महसूस तो बहुत, क्या बताएं सर,
गर्मी महसूस कर रहे हैं,
गर्म महसूस हो रहा है सर। आपके चाय के बाद गर्मी और बढ़ रही है सर।
थैंक यू मैम, लेकिन टीचर जैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ सर, वो तो इंटरनल फीलिंग है सर, वो तो आती रहती है
सर। एक बार फिर ले लीजिएगा।
तो ये वाला कंटेंट जरूर जाएगा स्कूल के ग्रुप में।
हमको कुछ नहीं बोलना है सर, सब तो निशी मैम बोली दी है।
बोली दी
दिखा दीजिए कैसा हम बोल दिया।
नहीं, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा बोली मैम, बहुत अच्छा बोली है। सब बहुत अच्छा बोले।
अभी एंकर का भी थोड़ा लीजिए।
एंकर 4 वर्ड में पूरा अपना स्क्रिप्ट खत्म कर दिया।
वाला दिखा दीजिए।
मेरा फिर आप क्या
दिखा दे रहे। तो चलिए मिलते हैं हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर से, आदर्श विद्या मंदिर के साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन के जो ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं उनसे बात करते हैं, जानते हैं उनका प्रिपरेशन जो है कैसा है।
बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, बच्चे में पूरा उल्लास है, अच्छा करने का कोशिश पूरा जारी है।
चलिए सर, ऑल द बेस्ट। सर का मेहनत दिखता है, बिल्कुल सपोर्ट रहेगा सर, और सर का मेहनत दिखता है। ये देखिए सर से कुछ बात करते हैं, इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन और सोशल स्टडीज़ के टीचर है, कुछ बात करते हैं। सर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप?
Zabardast, it is awesome project and they have given a nice idea of nature's functioning. So I love this project. Okay, they have done very well. Thank you.
वेलकम सर। अखौरी सर,
हाँ, ये प्रोजेक्ट हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। लगता है कि इसे फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिलना ही चाहिए। मे बी इफ इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि बम्पर प्राइज़ मिल सके।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। कर अपना माइक का पोजीशन, अपना पोडियम का पोजीशन एडजस्ट करते हुए चलिए ले चलते हैं एक बहुत ही मेहनती और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड व्यक्ति के पास। ये सर जो हैं मतलब ओवरऑल ये बहुत ज़्यादा साइंस के टीचर है, केमिस्ट्री के, तुलेश्वर महतो सर, और बहुत अच्छा ये एक्सप्लेन किए हैं बच्चों का। हर एक प्रोजेक्ट को इन्होंने बहुत ध्यान से देखा है, सब में इन्होंने हेल्प किया है। तो चलिए बात करते हैं। सर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं, पहले बताइए।
वेरी एक्साइटेड।
दो शब्द में मतलब इतने ही दो शब्द?
दो शब्द में निकाल दिए।
चलिए बहुत अच्छा।
बोल रहे कि हर साल की तरह इस साल भी एक्साइटनेस है, बच्चे जैसे आए हुए हैं और जितना क्रेज़ दिख रहा है, लगता है और इस बार और अच्छा हो।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। कुछ नहीं,
बोलिए।
कुछ भी बताइए, कैसा महसूस कर रहे
बहुत एक्साइटेड है, बच्चे भी काफ़ी खुश हैं, नज़र आ रहे हैं यहाँ।
हैं? चलिए बहुत अच्छी है। तो आइए दूसरे जनों के पास चलते हैं। अब हमारे एक मैथ्स टीचर है, थोड़े से स्ट्रिक्ट है बट बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। लोग बच्चे डरते भी हैं। सर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बच्चों का उत्साह देखने को मिल रहा है और सारे मॉडल्स लगभग बच्चे अपने 100% दिए हैं। अब देखा जाए इस वजह से नया क्या बनाया है, वो तो विजिट करने के बाद ही पता चलेगा। ओके, धन्यवाद।
ऐसे तो ये थे बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर, लेकिन इनका मैथ्स का मतलब कोई तोड़ नहीं। ये इतना अच्छा मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं, इतना अच्छा मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं, इतना अच्छा मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं, क्या पता है कितना अच्छा मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं। सुपर मैथ्स के बहुत अच्छे टीचर हैं ये, और बच्चे बेसिकली इनको फॉलो करते हैं, इनका रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं। डरना एक गलत वर्ड हो जाएगा, इनको मानते बहुत ज़्यादा है। मिनट हम लोग जानते हैं कि ये हो क्या रहा है। अरे ये आग लगा दिया ये लोग, तो यार ये आग क्यों लगाए हैं? सो what do you want to say? What you are doing with this waste plastic? You are converting it into a diesel.
Yes.
Okay, means so this diesel will not produce any kind of harmful gases. You want to say?
Sir, produce, but
A project is that you are reducing the amount of plastic that we have in our soil.
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Move towards the another project. ये बहुत खूबसूरत और बहुत छोटे बच्चे ऐसा अरेंज कहाँ से करते हैं? इट इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग दैट हाउ दे अरेंज दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स, लाइक छोटे छोटे ह्यूमंस एंड ओके दे हैव क्रिएटेड विद द पेपर्स। यू विल सी इट केयरफुली। एक पेपर से बनाया गया, आई थिंक, और उसको कलर किया गया है। ओके, सो इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्चुअली। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली। सो क्या है ये, व्हाट इज इट एंड हाउ इट्स वर्क?
So it is smart agriculture.
See what it is. Okay, it is. I can't say what it is. It is looking like a fan in a tree. Okay, let's ask. So what is it and how it's work?
Sir, it is a kind of windmill, but it is shaped like a tree. Means I mean electrical energy.
Very difficult to show you all the projects, and this is very difficult because we have lots of projects. We don't have just one or two projects. How I can show you that? Let me just see it. यहाँ से वहाँ तक in a short video it is quite very impossible. Now projects are every in a minute we have a new project in our ground. Okay, so it is quite very difficult to show you all the projects. Now let's go towards the next one. So I don't know, the students are sitting with the laptop and few of the electrical appliances. I don't know what is it, and they will explain. So can you tell me what is it?
Sir, it is a air quality tester. We will gonna test the air quality.
So you want to say that this is not good for our health? No.
Yes, sir.
And this is not the normal air that we should take. This is very harmful. Okay, so it is quite very dangerous. So our air is very dirty. Let's go to the another one. So it is looking like tubes. They have added some of the tubes and many more different things. So can you explain what is it?
Sir, this is a air purifier project. Sir, see, in this year only, you may observe that the summer season have to end in the month of June, July, but it has extend up to August. It is the result of global warming. Sir, just to prevent that, we had made this project. The carbon dioxide, which is released from the factories, generate too much pollution. So the emitted pollution will be come into this plastic box. There is two carbon rod providing their 12-volt electricity. One of them will work like anode where the oxidation will held, and one is working like cathode where the reduction will held. And so after this treatment, the rest of the oxygen, the air that left that is oxygen, it will be released from this pipe. So the principle of this process is the electrochemical process. The transfer of ions between two objects is called electrochemical process. It is a type of ionic process. This is our project based on prevention of greenhouse effect. This only.
I must say very complicated. Boy have done a lot good, and the explanation power is very good. So let's move to the another one. Let's see what he has. What they have make few of the diagrams. It is looking like a rover or something. Later, what is it and how it's work?
Sir, we have making this for preventing truck accidents. So this is a sensor which detect if anything will come in front of the truck, then it will stop and it will go from side. And sometimes the driver take advantage of AI driving and they used to use it, and through it many truck get accidents. So we have set a timer of 10 seconds, so the truck will stop after 10 seconds and all sensor will activate, and so to inform other driver that there is an emergency.
Quite interesting project. It will definitely help to reduce the accidents in the road. Okay, let's move toward the another one. ये तो है, कुछ तो है. Something is there, no? So what is it and how it's work? So can you explain what is it and how it's work?
Sir, it is a kind of a project from which electromagnetic energy transfer into the electric energy. Sir, it was first made by the Norway in 1971, and we have tried to make similar to her project. Okay. Means these things are the natural thing through which we can generate electricity actually. Okay, we can generate electricity through these things. Okay, does it work? Yes, sir, but our some projects are left, so inside our.
Okay, it is still incomplete. Okay, let's solve.
The connection is only not a bit loose. Connection.
Okay, only the connection is not there. But ठीक है, it's काम करेगा. Okay, so we have lots of project today. I'll try to make it shorter. मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि छोटे में निपटाएं. This is 47 number and it's quite interesting. So few of the wires are over here and windmill is you can see over here. So let's ask, what is it and how it's work?
Sir, so basically this is a wind power generator, and it will generate electricity. This fan will rotate and it will generate electricity, and that electricity will go in powerhouse, and through that to all its state lights, and it will grow, and it will automatically switch off by using sensor. This sensor.
You want to say that this is a windmill, no?
Yeah, it will generate. Let me show. Yeah. The bulbs are also grown.
Now we have lots of time and our guests have not been reached yet. So let's move toward the another one. So they have 2 or 3 bulbs. 4 bulbs we have, and they have the proper electricity connections and many more things we have right now. So what is it and how it works?
Sir, it is overload sharing transmission and auto power cut. There is excessive amount of voltage in transformers and there is break in power, or there is short circuit, so it prevents that. As you can see, as soon we will increase the voltage, it will transfer to the another circuit and it will keep transferring. If we will increase here, you can see there also it is increasing, and when it will reach at the excessive amount, it will be auto power cut, as you can see, and we can restart it.
So it is quite very awesome thing that they have created, and definitely this will help help everyone in their houses to protect their appliances with the high electric voltage. A quite very small project, but interesting. So they have a fridge, LPG gas, and bed, and chulha, and everything over here. So let us, what is it and how it works?
This is the LPG gas detector. It will detect the LPG gas leakage. As you know that it is very common in every houses that it causes the fire also. So we have made it to detect the gas leakage.
Okay, means basically this device will help to detect the LPG gas leakage. So once there was a leakage in my house also, so it is very helpful for nowadays. It will detect the leakage. So let's move to the another one. So it is quite very interesting. They have created these trees with the help of that paper, using the paper, and they have a few circuits also. Complicated circuit must be. It must be something very interesting, and few of the buzzers are also there. So my question is the same, that what is it and how it works? What is it and how it works?
Sir, our topic is train accident prevention. Every year we seen that because of accidents, so many animals are die. So it will work like this. Sir, like this.
Animal will come there.
Our alarm will start ringing.
Train will come.
Our alarm will start.
This is the very serious topic, and we must appreciate this student that they have created such a thing, which is quite very good for the animals actually. Okay, so it will help a lot. I mean, lots of animals dies every day due to the train accidents. Let's move to the 42 number, and this is quite very interesting. They have created few of the buildings with the papers and electric conductor and the thunder. So you can see very interesting things over here. So this is created by my student and my old student Ayush. Earlier you were in my class, but now you are. And what you have created and how it works?
Sir, this is our project lightning conductor. Its work, when in thunderstorm many of the cloud charges is separated, and when one cloud attracts with another cloud, then it looks like a spark, and the sparks were harmful.
So simple. My question is very simple. So does it works or it is just a model?
It is just a model.
Okay, so this is a conductor. Everyone knows this is a conductor, and how it works. I'm very tired. Let's move towards another one. So it is something. I don't know what is it. What is it? Let's see what it. So what is it and how it works?
Hydrological waste collector uses a piston to create pressure with water. The piston pushes the water and create the movement in a scoop. So it completed.
Okay, it is working, but you can say it is working. Chaliye, ठीक है. Let's move towards another one. What is it and how it works?
This is our project greenhouse effect. It is a natural process in which radiation from the sun is absorbed by the greenhouse gases and re-emit in all directions, and it doesn't back into the space. In the greenhouse gases, it include the methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and the nitrous oxide. It's help in the coastal region to grow the plant.
Okay, let's move towards another one. So it is a car and a few of the trees I can see. So what is it and how it works?
Sir, it is an electrical vehicle. We have made it by motors. Sir, here is one generator. When it moves, generator also moves. Then it stores battery.
Okay, so you want to say that this is an electrical car only?
Yes.
Electrical car developed by the students of others with them.
But it recovers its battery.
Regenerate the charge of its battery. You want to say it will automatically regenerate the charges of its battery? No. Okay, this is quite good. Interesting project. Let's move towards another one. It is a quite mysterious box, you can say. Okay. What is it?
So it is electricity generated by hand, especially in the village. We can see the power cut off very fast, and the needed of the electricity we can't fulfill. That's why we have made small radiator for today and small bulb that we can move our hand, and the bulb is, if we use big radiator, then its bulb will glow.
It can charge transformer
And power bank. Yes. Charger will also work.
Nice one. Let's move towards another one. Very interesting and very big. I'll show you here. Right. So you can see this project, very huge project, and I think they have worked a lot in it. So it is very difficult to create these trees and grasses with the small papers cutting and batteries and the solar panels and everything. It is a lot of things. See, you can see the name, like it is Energy Efficient Smart City. Energy Efficient Smart City. And what is it? It is solar rooftop. Okay, and this is a hospital and everything is written over here. So they have put in 100% of their effort. So it is quite very interesting. Let's see what is it. So what is it and how it works? In short, please.
So this is a smart city, energy efficient, and as you can see here is automatic street lights. In night wherever we have to on all the lights, then we can only one switch and it will all be on. And this is a vertical wind. It moves through it and elects electricity through it. And here are solar panels. You can see it works. And this is wireless car charging. This is powerhouse. It will generate electricity through this house. And yes, and this is smart dustbin. Whenever it will be full, it will automatically make noises. So it will aware people to throw it.
So you have made a multi-project. So you can see we have the windmills, we have the powerhouses, we have the solar panels, we have the dustbin alarm, we have the automatic car charging. Everything is over here. This is Smart City by the students of class 7B.
8B.
Oh, sorry, 8B. By the students of class 8B. Okay, so now move towards another one. So it is quite very interesting and I forgot to show this chart. Okay, so what is it? It is these are the plants. That's all. Is it so? So let's ask. So what is it and how it works in short, please?
Sir, it's a terrace farming. Is the practice of growing plants on a terrace or balcony. We can place it anywhere on a small and in a limited areas. It is usually helpful in urban areas because there are not limited space. The benefits are very much like homegrown fruits and vegetables are beneficial for our health, and it is free disease and pests. And the advantages are space saving, like if we will grow this in a limited space, it will not feel like congested, and it also increase our privacy. Terrace garden can help to provide a sense of privacy and from neighboring properties and house streets.
It is very nice. Aditi of class 8A. So they were my old student. What? 8B. Topic of 8B. But she is of class 8A.
Yes, sir, I know, sir. Only she is from 8A.
Okay, only she is from class 8A, but she is a mind-blowing student, and पीछे वाले को मेरे को मालूम है how they will work. Now move towards the another one. So it is quite foily type structures are over here. You can see the tissue paper and the battery and electrical appliances. It is a few complicated things are here. So what you have made and how it works?
So it is an automatic fire extinguisher, and it will indicate.
Automatic fire extinguisher. So how it works?
So it will indicate the fire.
If we will burn it.
Direct. If we will burn it, there will be see the
There will be the fire.
Sir,
So
we
it
will see, here we will
sense the fire.
Yes, sir.
And
there we will see the waterfall in it. Like this, it will work. In the buzzer.
I must tell you, we have lots of things to see. बहुत बचा हुआ है. I'm very tired. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं और मैं वीडियो must be आपको दिखेगा छोटा, but to cover every project it takes a long time. So let's move towards another one. Now we have, even though we have not completed the 50%, we have completed just for 30% right now. So let's move towards another one. It is beautiful. You can see the swimming pool over here. I think they have created the swimming pool and everything is over here. So what is it and how it works in a short, please?
What, sir?
What is it and how it works?
So it is acid, and it will to how to pollute the uses of atmosphere, how vehicles pollution, factory industries will pollute the earth. It will going from the atmosphere, it will evaporate from the earth, and it is very harmful. Acid rain.
So they have explained what is acid rain and how it is harmful. So let's move toward another one. It's Dettol वगैरह, जैसे मैंने कहा Dettol वगैरह रखे हैं क्या? Dettol है, blood है and everything. What is it and how it works? What is it and how it works?
Sir, it is blood group test. We are doing it.
I want to say you are testing the blood groups of everyone. Means you can check my blood groups right now. Okay, it sounds very good. Okay, it is quite very awesome that the students of class of a school has means they can give the blood report. Means they can tell you that what's your blood group. It is quite very interesting that they are learning these things. It is very appreciative. But I have already checked my blood, so I can't test right now. Let's move toward the. This is a smart sunglass for the blind person. So you can see a glass sunglasses over here and a battery with sensors over here. I think that will create a sound when an object will be in front of that glasses. So move towards the another one. So this is the project makers, and the another one is this. The students of class 6, and they have created something. Human body structure, digestive system. So you can see the digestive system over here. So they have created the digestive system. So what is it and how it works? So I can see actually what it is, but how it works.
So the digestive system is a complex organ that breaks down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. The food travels from your mouth to your
Means in short, you're showing that how the digestive system works actually. Yeah, na? So how the digestive system actually works. So you are showing that only. So is there something interesting you have created in this? What is that? Show me.
Immediately after eating, the food
So can you show that something? Can you show something? Okay, she has brought small chapatis, the pieces of chapatis over here. So it is quite very interesting. Okay, पेट में डाल दी direct. Okay.
Where is HCl?
So it is the water from the mouth. Okay. And then what happened?
Immediately after a meal, the food starts getting rotting inside instead of digesting in your stomach, and it can create problems like gas, acidity, and bloating.
Means basically you want to say that we should not drink water just after eating. Means we should wait at least for 1 hour.
1 hour. Half an hour. Yes, sir.
Half an hour or 15 minutes. Okay, let's move toward the quite very interesting things are there. But I'm tired. I've told you. But let's move. Let's see what they have created. Air filtration box. You can see air filtration. So what is it and how it works?
First, we burn their waste material, and the polluted air will go in this box. So it's the polluted from this we got electricity, and the polluted air clean, and the fresh air comes.
Very interesting that they are filtering the air actually. So it is air filtration box, and they have created. They have put on 100% of them. I wish you will win. Let's move towards the another one. Let's see what is it. It is quite very okay. This is 28 number, and you can see they have created. I think this is what is it? Human evolution. Human evolution. Okay, means how they have evolved. Okay, it is human evolution. So you can see they have created. They had put their means a lot of effort. So what is how you'll explain? What is it?
Sir, we see that there is 5 types of evolution. First, they are like monkeys, and they become.
Sir, human evolution is the process by which human can develop like ancestor over a period of 6 million years ago. How we grow and how we know. First of all.
Okay. Means this is a quite only human evolution you are showing, no? It is quite interesting, and it shows your effort that you have created everything by the thermocols or papers, I think. Okay, it is very interesting. Let's move towards another one. So it is something interesting. So you can see grasses and everything is over here. Chicken. It is modern farming. So you can see it is a modern farming technique. And explain about this and in a short. Modern farming, through which you are generating the electricity and the fire also. No, you can multi sources of energy. Money, multi sources of money. Like you have kept few of the hens. Like you can see the water over there, by which you are going to for the fish farm. Few of the cattle are also there. Many things are there. So let's move towards another one. I'd like to show you something interesting. They have bought an real solar panel. So this project is quite very interesting. It is a real solar panel, you can say, and the motors, and they have worked a lot. And these are the students of class 6B and 6B. I can see the effort. And what is it? This is eco-friendly energy source. The eco-friendly energy source. So you can see over here also eco-friendly energy source. So what is it and how it works?
Sir, it's work like the car is also. Sir, the car is also working and river is also working and the fan is also working when we start the motor.
Okay, it means that you want to say that it is working. So can you show that to me right now? Okay. This solar panel is creating electricity, and by using that, okay. We can see a waterfall also. I mean the river. Okay, thank you. So this is Karuna ma'am. She is also asking for that. And now we'll move towards another one. So this is also interesting. We have many projects right now, but I'll not waste my time to explain you everything. But I'll try to make it very. We have a few of the boys of my class. So not my class. It is of class 6B. It is again of 6B. So
और वाटर
it is
जगह पर भी भीड़ नहीं करेंगे, एक स्टूडेंट जाएंगे अगर आपको जरूरत
rain detection.
और वो भी वॉलंटियर से
Rain detector. Okay, it is rain detector. And so how it works?
Good morning, sir. Sir, this is our project rain detector alarm.
Explain in short, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the top of the house we fix two plates and in the inner there is button and LED light. When the rain will come, then the water of rain will go there and the people who is inside the home, he can know that rain has come. And in the outside home there is one drain. When the rain water is coming, then the drain get overflow water. Then we fix one system that in there is gate type structure through which the water will go to underground. And in the downside of gate type structure there is one strainer that the plastic and another things cannot go downside, and it can prevent that sometimes we are doing boring and the water is not coming out. Thank you, sir.
Quite complicated and very interesting project. Let's move towards another one. It is really creepy. So it is creepy and human brain, I think. Human brain. So what is it and how it works? What do you want to explain by this?
Sir, we want to rare the people how brain tumor happen in our body and how can we know in first is we have a brain tumor and we can go to the doctor and we have to take the treatment of brain tumor.
Let's move towards another one. So it is quite very interesting. So what is it and how it works?
Good morning, sir. My name is Karan and it is my project electricity produced from road. Sir, it's work when a jerkin move from the car, it will rotate and rotates its body also, then it's rotate motor and it produce electricity. And automatically the pole light will be glow. Thank you, sir.
I'm telling you, we have lots of projects to see. So what is in it and how it works?
Sir, this is automatic street light. Sir, when the car or people will move, there are some sensors. So it will be sense the motion and it will automatically glow. And when the car that human can go on, then this light will automatically off. And it is a electricity saver also.
Oh, good. Quite very interesting. Now move towards another one, the science project. So what is the science project? Please, can you explain this?
Sir, this is the project of road emergency safety project and we are here to show the safety of animals.
Very interesting projects, you can say. So let's move towards another one. That this is drive your vehicle slowly. Drive your vehicle slowly. Let's ask, what is it and how it works? It is looking like a sikka, means 10 rupee coin of India. So please can you explain this?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, this is our project, Traffic Electricity Generator. Sir, it will be very helpful for our nation and for future also, sir. Sir, in this project, we will generate electricity without any natural resources by using this plate, sir, piezoelectric plate. Sir, this will be very beneficial for in future, sir. Sir, this piezoelectric plate will generate with a mechanical stress such as pressure. It will generate electricity, and that electricity we will store in this battery. It's a rechargeable battery, sir, and from that we can glow the street lights and bulbs, sir, and we can do many work from this also, sir. I had put this plate in road because as we know that lorries and vehicles roam on road, and that will generate electricity with the weight, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, it was an interesting project and very impressive. So let's move towards the another one. This is organic farming, rainwater harvesting, and everything is over here. But let's see how it works and what is it.
So this is sustainable development. So here we have shown that how to stop all the pollution which is there in our surrounding. So firstly we have shown here the factory. So as we know that all the wastewater from the factories move to the water bodies. So here we have made it a sewage system from all the wastewater will be collected there, and then it will be clean in this container, and almost 92% of the water will be clean, and then it will move to the water body.
Our chief guest has arrived with the principal sir, vice principal sir, director sir, and ma'am. Everyone has arrived. Please. Welcome you all.
इसको करने में बहुत गौरवान्वित हैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि सर, प्रिंसिपल सर, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर यहाँ पधार चुके हैं। तो आप लोग तालियों के गड़गड़ाहट से उनका स्वागत करिए और शिल्पा मैम, अजीजा मैम बुके देकर उनका स्वागत करेंगे।
Now I request Shilpa ma'am and Nisha ma'am to present the bouquet to our chief guest.
जैसा कि आप लोग जान रहे हैं, विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी महज एक प्रोग्राम नहीं है। यह विद्यार्थियों को विज्ञान के प्रति जोड़ने तथा भारत के भविष्य में आप लोगों की भागीदारी बनाने का एक माध्यम है। तो यहाँ आप लोग अपनी कला को अच्छे से निखारेंगे और इस विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में अपनी कला को अच्छे से प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
निशा मैम,
हम अपने मुख्य अतिथि सर, प्रिंसिपल सर, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर और गेस्ट सर का स्वागत करते हुए बहुत गौरवान्वित हैं। तो आप लोग एक बार फिर से तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उनका स्वागत करेंगे, जिनकी उपस्थिति हमें प्रेरित, मूल्यवान और साथ मिलकर इस यात्रा पर निकलने के लिए तैयार करती है और आपके कला को निखारने और आपकी प्रतिभा को निखारने के लिए विभिन्न आयोजनों के साथ भारत के भविष्य को निखारने में एक बहुत अहम भूमिका निभाती है।
To our esteemed guests, parents and teachers, on behalf of our school, I would like to extend a required exam and you to do family pressure, study pressure.
Wireless power transmission is the process.
People know how a year goes.
The process of fusion of nuclear, then the nuclear power plant works.
Artificial heart. In the case of heart failure, we can replace the human heart.
Yes, sir.
Why we have made the solar dragon when the sun will rise.
That was going on very awesome. Chief guest आ गए हैं और वो देख रहे हैं कि how it works, and प्रिंसिपल सर, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर, चीफ गेस्ट एंड बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, पेरेंट्स भी हैं, उन सब से बात करेंगे। पहले बचे हुए जो रिमेनिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, let's we'll focus on that. So, they are explaining one by one to the chief guest. So what is it and how it works? Please in short, छोटे में बताइए।
Sir, it is rain protecting washing cloth. When the rain will come now, and when we are busy in our work, then it will be automatically go under.
And title it, sir. Title
These clothes that you have created, this will get under in just an means you are spraying the water over here. Okay. Okay. वो खुद ब खुद अंदर चला गया. ओके उसको पोंछ देंगे तो देन वो अगेन फिर धूप में बाहर आ जाएगा. वो और व्हाट, क्या वो वापस बाहर आएगा? ओके फिर धूप आ गया तो फिर वो बाहर आ जाएगा. ओके इट इज़ कूल 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 ऑसम. वेरी क्वाइट क्राउड ओवर हियर एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक द इंटरव्यूज़ ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गया है. पेरेंट्स बहुत सारे आ गए हैं. सो but still I will try my best. So let's come with this. What is it and how it works?
When air is come, then it's move and it kinetic energy converted to mechanical energy and
Quite good. They have created something interesting. So now let's move towards another thing. They are quite busy in explaining the parents. Still I will try to listen the things what he is explaining. So, it is quite very interesting. Means it has a dustbin, it has a street lights in the cars, vehicles and everything over here, and an interesting solar panel. Round shaped solar panel is also there. So this is Shubham. So let's ask Shubham. Can you explain the things? What is it and how it works once again in short, please?
Yes, sir. So this is our project Energy Efficient Smart City. So firstly I will see you what is the main purpose to make this project. So the main purpose to provide electricity at free of cost to the people. So there I will introduce you 4 models: solar tracker, vertical vine, auto, smart dustbin and automatic street light. So it will absorb more energy than the normal solar panels. So with this project we will get more energy due to the wind pressure of the car, mountain and rail. So this is automatic street light. So automatic street light, what a people used to do, so they will go on the switch, off the switch, then it will. So for that purpose we have make this project automatic street light. So smart dustbin. So nowadays people are so careless, they used to overfill it and the dump used to get fell down and it used to pollute the land. For that purpose we have make the smart dustbin. So when it will fill, then it will make a red light. So here you can see it, there is a red light showing. So here is the red light. It means the garbage dustbin is already filled. So garbage, and it will make an alarm in the Ranchi municipality, Nagar Nigam, and they will got to know that the dustbin is filled, and they will come to know. Thank you, sir. This is our project.
Okay, let's move towards the next towards the next one. It is quite interesting, and this is a student of class 7A, and let's ask what is it and how it works.
So it is a project from which we can generate electricity from rotten vegetables. So first we'll compress the juice and vegetables. Juice will go in this container and that will separate the juice in 4 other containers. All the containers contain copper and zinc plate that will separate electrolytes and send them in this wire from where we can light up the bulbs, and which cannot be make juice will go in this container. After 13 days it will become soil, but if you use vacuum it can be done in 2 days only, and we can use them in the farming. And our motto is to reduce the people who die with the starvations. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.
It's working awesome. And the girls are showing that how you can check your blood group. It is quite very interesting. The students of class 9B, the students of class 9B. So they are explaining that how you can check your blood group. See, they have the complete chart. They have the complete chart and everything is over there. Okay, quite very interesting. The girls of class 9 have created a heart, a human heart. What you have created and how it works?
In the case of heart failure, we can use artificial heart because in the case of heart failure, we are not getting a donor in a time. After that, some person die. That's why we are making an artificial heart. Its function will be downside motors will be there, which will rotate, and valves will work. There will be 4 chambers like normal heart.
So it is interesting. Now move towards the next one. See this. What is this? Magnetic train. So how it works?
Sir, it's work with high costed magnets. Sir, this model we have kept to show only because the products were highly costed. So this model is for only showpiece.
Okay. Means now we are witnessing the huge and very beautiful projects, and the students. I must say that the students of our school, that Adarsh Vidya Mandir, is very talented. So now move towards another one. This is what is it? It is a nuclear power plant or what is something? It is nuclear. So let me. So this is nuclear and how it works actually?
Sir, it is not a working model. It's only model showing for that.
Okay. And what is it?
Sir, it is a nuclear power plant by which we can produce energy, and it converted into electricity. Then we can use for our daily uses.
Okay, awesome. Good job, boys. Now move towards the next. So it is the human ear. So they are explaining how the human ear works and what is it.
So it is our project Human Ear.
Means you are explaining about the human ear. Oh.
Yes, correct. Okay. So this is the outer part of the ear known as ear pinna, and it catches the sound waves and send it to ear canal. And this is the outer part, and this is the middle part, and this is the inner part. So the eardrum divide the outer ear and middle ear. It start vibrating while catching the sound waves, and this is the middle ear.
Three tiny bones, and the middle ear consists of three tiny bones and pass it to inner ear, and inner ear consists of hearing organ set known as Kauchalya that pass a message to the brain with the help of auditory nerves. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. It is very good to see. Now move towards another one. This is how it works. So we can see the few of the coils are here. These are copper coils, and what you have made and how it works.
Sir, wireless power transmission. It works without wire. It eliminates the risk of electric shock. Like that. The
Okay.
bulb is glowing without any physical contact.
Okay, the bulbs are working. Okay, the LEDs are working actually, but they don't have any kind of electric wires, and it is very friendly that it will not create any kind of shocks.
It will not give you an electric shock. You can touch this nothing.
The projects are really very awesome. So move towards another one. So this is of class 8B. What is it and how it works?
It is a sign language to speech converter for the dumb people who cannot speak.
Okay, what's you are wearing in your hand?
It's a special gloves which contains an Arduino Uno, some wires, a Bluetooth device, and name SD05 and accelerometer.
Okay, so show me it's working or not.
It works with the help of this. Like I have take out some codings with the help of ChatGPT and put in an app. It pairs with the help of Bluetooth. Wait, I am showing. I have put some signs like peace, WhatsApp, attention, I need help, how's it, and pain.
So tell me, where is the mic of this? Where is the speaker of this phone?
The speaker inside the phone. I have tried.
Okay, show me a few of those hand signs.
Peace, attention, how's it, I need help, pain.
It will convert your signs into mobile speak.
It's in generation second. Firstly, there was a screen. It says in the screen, but it's very difficult to see in the screen. But it will convert directly into phone. We can also add a speaker here, but I have not because it will be very heavy to wear in the hands.
Okay. It is quite interesting. Now again, a magnetic train. See, sometimes what happened, the students, they don't know what the others are making. So they have created 2 magnetic trains in our school. So will you like to explain this?
Yes, sir. It is our magnetic train. It will work by the powerful magnets, and it will work by the process of levitation, and it is soundless and energy efficient, and it have advanced technology also, and it gives a smooth ride, and it gives also increasing.
The students of Adarsh Vidya Mandir is very hardworking, and they have created lots of things. See, they are smiling, and so what you have created? Can you explain this?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is microbial fuel cell. This is the natural process of generating electricity. Here we have taken two chambers. One is anode chamber and one is cathode chamber. In anode chamber we have taken water with salt which will act like glucose, and in cathode chamber we have taken manure and cow dung where bacteria is presented. Bacteria will break down the matter and electrons and protons will present in cathode chamber, and in anode chamber oxygen is there and it will exchange.
What it will work?
Sir,
it will generate the
yes, sir.
electricity. So can you show that to me?
Yes, sir.
The wire is disconnected over here.
Yes.
A variety of fruits and vegetables, herbs, flowers, and many more. Thank you.
It is showing -1. It is taking charge. Class 8A, the students of Class 8A. Now move towards another one. So this is a new project by the students of Class 8A, the anti-suicide fan. You can call it an anti-suicide fan. So what you have made and how it works?
Sir, we have made anti-suicide fan, and it is a special kind of fan that prevents suicide from hanging off the fan. As you can see, a girl is trying to do suicide from here, and when its weight is very less, but when a human body will hang from here, the fan will stretch down and the buzzer will start ringing. This is our project.
Okay, this is based on the model of the Kota hostel. No, Kota, one student has got they have suicide. No.
Example of a Kota. Yes, sir. This is an example of a Kota hostel.
Okay, well done girls. So wish you giant exhibitions. तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं we have kept that for the last. Now ये सीनियर बच्चों ने बनाया है and it is quite very big and let's ask them what is it and how it works. See this giant project, ये इतना बड़ा complete project है. It is very huge and these girls have created this. So what is it and how it works in a short, please?
Yes, Pishton. Good morning, sir. I am here, Shreya, presenting here. This is my project. My project name is Life Safety with Many Ways. First of all, we have saw here that a vehicle is, for example, a vehicle is running from here, and the pollution which come out from that, we will purify it and we will take out the carbon from there and filter that carbon into ink, and then we will use it in paintings like this. After that, the street lights, the vehicles, when the vehicles are running, then their wind will blow here like this, and we will save that to provide the energy which will use for the villagers for the electricity.
What's that?
And that is roadways accident. In U-turns there are happening many accidents in the U-turn areas. We have provided one sensor there. If from both sides the vehicles are coming and they are going to collapse, then the sensor will detect that and tell that drivers that from other side the car is coming.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's move to again with another giant project that is created by class 10B. 10B. It is a kind of I'll show you class 10B. It is looking very interesting. They have used the bamboos and the pipes. So can you explain what is it and how it works?
Sir, it's an actual model of regenerative inclusive growth, sir. It depends on regenerating our environment and growing in a rapid speed. It is totally based on 4 things. First at all, safety, sir. First at all, safety. The 4 components or the 3 or 4 components we had used in it, it is totally based on safety. The second component is obviously pollution, because pollution rate is rapidly increasing and we have to reduce the pollution rate, and the main part of pollution has come from the factories. And when we come here, we will see the farms which will reduce the cost and increase the production without using any labor or any external costs. We have to just plant the minerals and the water will rapidly continuous flowing, and it will directly grow the crops, and it can increase the production by a large amount. Now I am going to introduce with this factory to you, and it's going to be crazy. When the smokes come in, we had installed absorber over here. It will absorb the smoke. It will directly go to this chamber, and we had installed the carbon rods over there, and we are given the charge to carbon rods which will absorb the 80% carbon of the carbon dioxide, and the fresh air we cannot say it's fresh because it obviously have 20 to 15% carbon in it. But the air which will be purified will be come out from this pipe. Good morning, sir. Now we will come to this project. This is a safety component. Mainly 5 lakh people died every year from the short circuits happen in India. This is the component saving it all. We had installed dual channel module over here, which will automatically cut the supply if the 2 wires has been touched together. The dual channel module will act and it will cut the electricity throughout the circuit. And we have installed the flame sensors over here to cut out the short circuits, even the case of flame or a short circuit. Sir, we can usually see in India the hundreds of wires are crossing in one pole and making it complex to be analyzed how it's going to be short, and it's always very complicated, and short circuits are normal in India. Now I am going to introduce with this safety device. This is a drainage house and that is an earthquake sensor. Sir, first of all I am going to introduce with this drainage house. The drainage house having a little holes in between it. You can always analyze it. First of all, good morning. When the water or flood comes from, it is gonna absorb the water, but it gonna throw out, making a way for a principal service.
Our project name is Wireless Charging Road for Electric Vehicles.
Make it a short. Make it short. How this
electromagnetic
will
field which will convert it into electric energy by the continuously moving of the fault center.
Here you can see a simple project. In this project we are just using water containing nutrients which will make tomatoes and strawberries like plants grow automatically without the need of soil. And here is a safety device which my friend will explain.
And the tree, the forest, the people cut the tree very much.
So in this project, it is based on the preventing the road accidents, preventing the accidents which is caused by death, and the harassment and bullying which are common for females in the Indian street. So whenever the situation will arise, anybody can go and press the switch, the alarm will work, and the SMS will go to the nearby branches, and this alarm system will also make attention of people, nearby people.
They have given their 100% to make this project, and I must say that these projects gonna win. So let's move towards another project. एक दूसरे और नए प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ ले चलते हैं. Now we have the sand, snows and laptop and many more electrical appliances are also here. So I'll like the laptop and what's going on over here. It is quite something interesting, and I can see okay and a few electrical appliances is also there. They have placed a lot of things, and this shows their effort also. So can you explain what is it and how it works?
Sir, our project is that advanced border security system. This is our radar system that will detect any object and directly send the signals to the soldiers. The soldiers are far kilometers away from this colder region because the soldiers feel very difficult to standing in this extreme cold climate that is about minus 10 degrees Celsius. That is the maximum temperature of the Siachen Glacier. There is our advanced machine that is designed to rotate in 360 degrees and fire anywhere. Second is that our assuming in a wide area that extremely hot weather condition, that is the laser system and this barricading system. Laser system
Let me show you the working of our radar system. So you know that what is radar system, how it function. But let me tell you that it is totally different from a normal radar system. First, it senses the object. When we put our hand in front of it, it senses it. You can see that in a laptop it displays red line area is the object, and the shaded area shows that where is the object is placed. And once it detects the object, it sends the signal to our satellite which is placed over there. You can see there.
Satellite also?
Yes, sir.
So it is
there is.
The satellite. Okay, here is the satellite.
It is functional.
It is functional. Okay, it is functional. And how? From where you can see the
satellite pictures.
We have a view of our school campus. It is satellite. So you have given your 100%. What's next?
And next, basically this project is designed for helping our soldiers in Siachen areas. You know that in Siachen glacier the temperatures goes till minus 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So there our soldiers faces many problems to fight there. So we had made this system to stop the terrorist coming from there, and the time interval which while fighting, it will fight from the enemies.
Okay. So you can rotate and fire from anywhere, no?
Yes, sir. It is a time, and our soldiers can get the time to arrive here and take the control. This is basically for stopping the terrorist.
And our project name is Sustainable Electricity Production by
What's that? That is looking very interesting and handy.
Sir, this is our desert border security system, in which we had set a laser system in our connection. As we know, in every place there is no favorable condition for our soldier. So we put this connection of laser connection. So if it will work like this. If some object will come in between the laser, the alarm start ringing like this. If inside it, the alarm will be off. If some object will be there, the alarm start ringing like this. If we inside our hand, it will start ringing like this. So, and if exception, if our laser not work, there is our second security also. If enemy wants to enter our border or base, they have to pass this barrier. If they will touch the barrier, the bulb already automatically start glowing. If it touch the bulb, it will start glowing. If it touch this, it will start already automatically glow. Thank you, sir. This is our project.
That the students has worked very hard, and their efforts, it shows their effort. It is working properly and very awesome. It is working very awesome, and the things will definitely help our soldiers in India. Now I'll show you something which is very interesting. That their laptop, it contains, see, the radar system, the camera, and the codings that they have done. The camera in a small section. You can see the camera in the small section they have placed, and many more things are there. See, it has been detected something over here, the black patches. Okay, again it has detected something over here. So you can see the red hand means they are detecting, means the radar is detecting something. So it is quite very awesome. So awesome and well done.
Plastic. The plastic which is okay, let's move to our first part of clash between the automatic rifle and the enemies. Our soldiers get the time to reach there and took over the control.
Will you tell me one thing, Arnav, it is using in any countries or not?
No, presently it is not being used in any countries. We have taken an initiative to show some innovations, and this can be this can be used by our Indian Army to protect our soldiers. Where the U-turn areas are located.
Hello.
करते हैं हम लोग क्राफ्ट्स के तरफ. डेकोरेटेड वेरी ऑसम. दोनों तरफ सुंदर और बहुत बेहतरीन क्राफ्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे. You can see here.
It's fantastic.
So now I'm going to talk to the in charge of craft exhibition. That we have two in charge over here, Mavia ma'am and Hina ma'am. So go to Mavia ma'am. Mavia ma'am, कुछ बोलेंगी दो शब्द if you want to say about your job, how it was, and how you have done so well.
Okay, so I feel very privileged that I have got the opportunity that the students have made their crafts very well and very beautifully, and also I didn't expect from them that they will make a very beautiful crafts, but it is good seeing that all the students were very active and all the students have participated in the art and craft exhibition. Thank you.
Okay, let's move towards another one. That is Hina ma'am, the second in charge of art and craft exhibition. So ma'am, if you want to say something about
क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन, हर व्यक्ति के अंदर एक कला होती है और व्यक्ति अपने व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण अपने बच्चों से, अपने बचपना को हाथ में लेके ही करता है। तो अगर हम देखें तो हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वो एक से बढ़कर एक क्राफ्ट बनाए हुए हैं। आप देख सकते हैं सभी बच्चे जो हैं वो किसी ने वेस्टेज से बनाया है, किसी ने किसी भी मतलब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करके बनाया है। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये कितना खूबसूरत है और ये जितना खूबसूरत है उतना ही इन छोटे बच्चों की मेहनत इसमें लगी हुई है। तो हम सभी सिर्फ इसे देखते हैं, लेकिन इसके पीछे जो बच्चे इतना जो इनकी लगन है, इनकी मेहनत है, उसको प्रोत्साहित करने की ज़रूरत है ताकि हमारे बच्चे आज के जो इतने छोटे छोटे कलाकार हैं ये आगे चल करके इन्हीं सब चीज़ों से और भी बड़े अपने आप को एक अच्छा मंच ले करके अपने स्कूल की तरफ से जो मंच प्रदान किया गया है उसमें एक आत्मनिर्भर कलाकार बन सके।
So let's move towards another teachers, that is निशी मैम। निशी और निशा मैम दोनों एक साथ हैं आज। तो निशी मैम और निशा मैम, इनका भी शॉर्ट नेम निशी है और इनका मेन नाम निशी है। तो दोनों से पूछते हैं कि कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे, मतलब कैसा क्या किए हैं, क्या जॉब था, कैसा है, कैसा साइंस एग्जीबिशन है। इनका पहला साल है और इनका दूसरा, ठीक है। तो कैसा लग रहा है?
Though it's an amazing feeling because for the first time I have seen such and such science and craft exhibition. Even though the students have created the very effective projects with an effective mind, and apart from which when I come upstairs to have a look on the craft exhibitions, the craft is so beautiful, so wonderful. The mindset, the mentality and the creativeness of the students are getting over it. By encouraging and by enhancing, we can also thought that if we will mobilize them and if we are going to polish their nature as well as the creativity, intelligence, they are going to shine upon. So God bless you child, God bless to the AVM family and it's all the best.
दुबराज सर, आपने तो नीचे का साइंस एग्जीबिशन देखा, यहाँ पे छोटे बच्चों का क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन है। ज़रा आप बताइए अभी यहाँ पे देख करके आपको बच्चों का ये क्राफ्ट देख के कैसा फील हो रहा है?
देखिए बच्चों लोग जिस लेवल में पढ़ते हैं, जैसे 2, 3, 4 या 1, 2, तो बच्चे ने बहुत मेहनत करके बनाए हैं और अपने बेस्ट देने का कोशिश किए हैं। इसमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे क्राफ्ट हैं जो विश्वास ही नहीं किया जा सकता ये छोटे बच्चे बनाए हैं। तो बहुत ही अच्छा, सराहनीय है, बहुत ही अच्छा। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर। आप सभी भी देखिए और हमारे क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन का मज़ा लीजिए, बच्चों को अप्रिसिएट करिए, क्योंकि आपका प्रोत्साहन बच्चों को एक भावी कलाकार का निर्माण करने में योगदान देगा। थैंक यू।
तो now you have listened to our students and the teachers. अब बारी है to talk with the parents that जो भी यहाँ आ रहे हैं, जो भी वो लोग देख रहे हैं, so how they are feeling in मीन्स कैसा फील करते हैं अपने बच्चों को इस लेवल पे देख करके। लो सो भी बात करते चलिए उनसे। तो चलिए बात करते हैं हम लोग एक पेरेंट्स से, हमारे आदर्श विद्या मंदिर के पेरेंट्स से। सर कैसा लगा, आप नीचे से पूरा ऊपर तक देखते हैं, वहीं साइंस एग्जीबिशन से क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन तक अपने सब देखा है, तो कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के।
बस बहुत अच्छा,
ठीक।
क्या भविष्य देखते हैं अपने बच्चों का यहाँ पे?
अच्छा देखते हैं, सब चीज़ देख के अच्छा लग रहा है, देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
दूसरे पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं हम लोग। सो एक्सक्यूज़ मी सर, मैम, आप लोग देखिए बहुत देर से फ़ोटो ले रहे हैं बच्चों का। आपके बच्चे यहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं ना, तो कैसा लगा, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं ये क्राफ्ट को देख के? क्या भविष्य देख पाते हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा देख के, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के।
छोटे बच्चों का जो ये काम है और खासकर जो सीनियर बच्चे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा, मतलब आज के छोटे जो बच्चे इतने मतलब टैलेंटेड हैं और स्किल्स इतना है, और सबसे अच्छी की कन्वर्सेशन, समझाने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा था और रियली मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है, बच्चों को देख के प्राउड फील हो रहा है। और स्कूल प्रबंधन को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि इस तरह का आयोजन किए, ताकि हम लोग को लगा कि हम लोग अपने बच्चों का देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर, आपसे बात करके मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा। आपको कैसा, मैं आप ऊपर से नीचे तक सारा साइंस एग्जीबिशन, क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन, सब चीज़ें देखे हैं, आपको कैसा लगा, देख के कैसा लगा, और क्या फ्यूचर देखते हैं अपने बच्चों का इस स्कूल में?
सीख मिलता है, इससे सीख मिलता है ये लोगों को कि आगे भविष्य में कोई भी मतलब कि साइंस का सारा कुछ काम ये लोग सीखता है लोग।
और क्या भविष्य देखते हैं अपने बच्चों का यहाँ पर?
भविष्य उज्जवल रहेगा।
चलिए ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। आपने सब देखा, कैसा लगा सब?
लगा
बहुत अच्छा।
हाँ बहुत अच्छा।
करते हैं हमारे स्कूल की अंग्रेजी की शिक्षिका शिल्पा मैम से, वो क्या कहना चाहती है इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन के बारे में और क्या उनके विचार हैं।
हेलो सर एंड थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। मुझे यहाँ पे 7 इयर्स हो गए हैं और हर बार ये इतना ही उत्साह और उमंग लेकर के आता है। बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब बच्चे अपनी इतनी उनके अंदर इतनी जो क्रिएटिविटी है, जब वो उसको निकाल के धरातल पर लेकर के आते हैं ना, तो कभी कभी हम खुद अमेज्ड हो जाते हैं कि इनके अंदर इतना टैलेंट है। और एक्चुअली वी आर ब्लेस्ड दैट वी आर टीचर्स कि हमें इतने अच्छे बच्चे मिलते हैं और हम इनके साथ हैं, इन्हें गाइड करने का, इनको देखने का। और ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स आई थिंक हर किसी को कराना चाहिए। हम टीचर्स तो इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते ही हैं, बट जब वो बच्चे अपने सिरे से अपना टैलेंट लेकर के आते हैं ना, तो वो एक अलग ही खुशी हमें देता है। हमें लगता है कि हमारे बच्चे हैं इतना आगे जा रहे हैं। तो मैं हमेशा आशा करूँगी कि विद्यालय में इस तरह के कार्यक्रम होते रहें, हम सभी इसके भाग बने रहें, और मैं बच्चों को भी हमेशा प्रेरित करूँगी कि वो हमेशा ऐसे ही अच्छा करें। थैंक यू।
गुड आफ्टरनून टीचर्स, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। हर साल जिस तरह से हम लोग साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन को मनाते हैं, आज उसी का इस साल भी हम लोगों ने साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन रखा और अभी वो संपन्न हुआ। आप लोगों का मेहनत दिख रहा था, हम लोग ने जब मूव करके देखे तो आप लोगों का मेहनत दिखा। आपकी मेहनत को हम लोग सराहना करते हैं। ये आप पूरे साल तक इसकी तैयारी करते हैं कि पूरे साल में इस बार हम लोग अपना प्रोजेक्ट रखेंगे और अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और मॉडल्स को अपना रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। तो अच्छा लगा, आप लोगों का मेहनत, जज्बा जो सब दिख रहा था। आप एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहे थे, पहले से ज़्यादा आप लोगों ने एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू किया है। पिछले साल हम देखे हैं इसमें थोड़ा सा सुधार हुआ है। इंग्लिश में भी आपका अच्छा पकड़ आ रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग बार बार बोलते हैं कि स्पोकन इंग्लिश पकड़ आ रही है, तो वो चीज़ कंटिन्यू रखेंगे। बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने देखा साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट का, और बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स अलग अलग तरह के भी थे, लेकिन बेसिकली ज़्यादा हमने देखा कि थोड़ा सा इसमें भी हम ये हुए हैं कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा और इनोवेटिव कर सकते थे। बेसिक सब में हम लोग देखे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ही ज़्यादा आप लोगों ने फोकस किया। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अलावे आप बहुत सारे चीज़ों को भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे सैटेलाइट्स है, फिर उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं, GPS है, या फिर यही सबसे बड़ा चीज़ है अध्यात्म अपने जगह पर है, लेकिन साइंस के बिना आप अभी के जीवन में नहीं जी सकते हैं। पहले के जीवन बहुत कष्टदायक होता था।
विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के लिए नई नई प्रतिभाशाली रास्तों की सृजन और उसको नई नई नॉलेज के द्वारा खोलने पर ध्यान देने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच अगेन एंड अगेन। सो ऑल स्टूडेंट क्लैप एंड से थैंक यू सर।
Last but not the least, your wait is over. So now I would like to invite Manish sir to come here and announce the winners. Everyone, clap your hands for sir.
And my dear students, a very warm good afternoon. And I trust you all that you all have done that. The students are there from class 6 to 10th, and all according to their age group, class group. They have tried to deliver their best, and all of them have not participated, but for me, you all are a winner because you have overcome the first fear, that is about participation. So I would like you all to clap for yourself that you all have participated. I would also like to thank the science teacher who have guided you and who have given their suggestions to make this science exhibition a successful presentation over here. And I would like to say that you students should always try and think more than what teachers are expecting from you. You can create wonders. because when you come to me to ask something which is common, I will guide you about that. But when you ask something above which I am not expecting from you, then I will feel proud about it. My student, although it is not in his purview, it is not in his arena, that he is asking something which is I need to think about it. So that should be your idea. तो टीचर्स से ज़्यादा आपको उसके लिए आना चाहिए था, जैसा सर बताए कि अब हमारे पास आईटी है, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है, एंड वी ऑल यूज़ इट. नोबडी कैन से दैट हम नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, कम ज़्यादा सब यूज़ करते हैं. तो आप कुछ ऐसा लेकर आते जब अपने टीचर के पास और बोलते सर हम ये बनाना चाहते हैं, इसमें थोड़ा हमको गाइड करते, तो टीचर्स को भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता. और यहाँ उस जितना आप किए हैं इट इज़ ऑल वेरी गुड, बट इससे भी ज़्यादा आप आगे बढ़ सकते थे. बिकॉज वी शुड ऑलवेज थिंक वेरी बिग, थिंक फास्ट एंड थिंक अहेड. दुनिया से पहले आगे सोचिए. अमेरिका आगे इसलिए है क्योंकि वो हर चीज़ पहले कर ले रहा है. जब आप पहले करेंगे यू विल बी द लीडर, पीपल विल फॉलो यू. तो अपने सोच को कंजर्वेटिव मत रखिए, संकीर्ण मानसिकता नहीं कि इतना कर लिया ना. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू थिंक बिग, बड़ा सोचिए चाहे किसी भी चीज़ में आप कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट में भी हम देखें कि है इनोवेशंस है एंड यू ऑल आर ट्राइंग, बट स्टिल आई विल से दैट जो एवरेज प्रोजेक्ट्स होता है उससे हमको अलग करना है. और वो कब होगा? क्योंकि जब अनाउंस किया जाता है तब आप सोचते हैं कि अच्छा आप क्या करेंगे, कौन कौन को ग्रुप में लेंगे, अच्छा तुम मेरे साथ रहोगे, 4 बच्चे मिलकर सोचना उस समय शुरू करते हैं, तो आप पीछे रहेंगे. आज जो बच्चे सोचेंगे कि अगले साल साइंस एग्जीबिशन में हम क्या करेंगे, और उस पर काम केवल सोचेंगे नहीं, उस पर थोड़ा थोड़ा काम करना शुरू करेंगे. एक आइडिया अभी जो डेवलप करेंगे और उसको अगले साल प्रेजेंट करेंगे, उतनी बड़ी सोच रखनी चाहिए, तब जाकर आप कोई बेस्ट दे सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू विल लीड टू मीडियोक्रेसी. बहुत एवरेज, सब वही करता है, जब डेट आता है तो पढ़ना शुरू करता है, और सब एवरेज रहते हैं. पास तो कर जाते हैं, कोई फर्स्ट डिवीजन, कोई सेकंड डिवीजन, 60-70%. बट द टॉपर इज वन. जो टॉपर होता है वो क्लास 7 से अपना बोर्ड एग्जाम का सोचता है कि हमको रिजल्ट देना है, हमको टॉप होना है, तब वो पहुंचता है वहाँ. तो हम आप में भी चाहेंगे ये जज्बा हो कि हमेशा कुछ बड़ा करना है तो थोड़ा सेक्रीफाइस करना होगा, थोड़ा मेहनत करना होगा, तभी आप कुछ बड़ा अचीव कर सकते हैं. इफ़ एनीबडी आस्क कि क्या बनना है, एवरीबडी सेज आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, हम तो प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहते हैं, हम तो ये बनना चाहते हैं. करते क्या हैं? चाहना और करने में बहुत अंतर है. चाहता सबको ही है लेकिन करता बहुत कम लोग हैं, और जो करता है वही वहाँ तक पहुँच पाता है. तो इसलिए हम ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे, ऑल्दो बहुत टाइम लगा, और हम आपको पेशेंस को आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द डिसिप्लिन यू ऑल हैव शोड टुडे. योर ड्रेसिंग सेंस, योर प्रेजेंटेशन वाज वेरी गुड थ्रू आउट द टाइम. ऑल्दो आई वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर, बट आई वाज हैविंग एन आई फ्रॉम द विंडो दैट हाउ इट इज़ गोइंग अराउंड, एंड आई एम वेरी सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट. लेकिन अब सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ और सबसे क्रूशियल, एंड इट इज़ द टफेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑल, और हमेशा हम ही को दे दिया जाता है कि आप बताइए कि कौन विनर है. तो मुश्किल इसलिए होता है कि कोई भी बच्चा ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अच्छा नहीं है और अच्छा नहीं करने की कोशिश किया. लेकिन वेन एवर देयर इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिशन वी शुड एक्सेप्ट दिस फैक्ट दैट एवरीबडी कांट विन. वेरी रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल वॉज द वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ 2023. इंडिया वॉज द मोस्ट फेवरेट. पूरे शुरू से लास्ट तक मैच में ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि इंडिया हारेगा, और फाइनल में हार गया. तो दैट कैन बी अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग, कैन हैपन. लेकिन उसके बाद फिर जीता 2024 में आपका T20. तो जो कर रहा है, हो सकता है एक बार आपका ऐसा आएगा ऑकवर्ड कि आप किए मेहनत लेकिन यू आर नॉट विनर, बट डोंट लेट दैट ओवर बर्डन योर माइंड कि हम नहीं जीते. आप जीते क्योंकि आप कोशिश किए, और आज नहीं जीते कल जरूर जीतिएगा. तो हम इसी के साथ अनाउंस करेंगे. आई विल नॉट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम, ऑल्दो इट इज़ वेरी लेट, एंड आई थिंक दैट आप लोग भी थक गए हैं. लेकिन जो भी रिजल्ट होगा उसको आप पेशेंटली सुनेंगे, एंड अगले बार के लिए हर वो बच्चा जो यहाँ है वो अगले बार के लिए क्या है उस पर सोचिए. जो हम बोले कि अगले साल आप क्या प्रेजेंट करेंगे, उसकी तैयारी आप अभी से कीजिएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? करेंगे सब? हाउ इज द जोश? नहीं दिख रहा है, आवाज़ ही नहीं. करेंगे? हाँ सर करेंगे, करेंगे ना? दैट शुड बी द स्पिरिट, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर यंग, यू ऑल आर डायनेमिक. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो लिमिट दैट व्हाट यू कैन अचीव. इसलिए हमेशा हाई एनर्जी के साथ, पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के साथ, गुड एटीट्यूड के साथ काम कीजिए. ओके, सो Craft is there, but craft will be announced tomorrow because the children of 3 to 5 are not here. तो अभी साइंस के लिए बताएंगे। और सब प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा था, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। वहाँ एक बच्चे का साइन लैंग्वेज वाला बताया, फिर यहाँ तो ब्लड टेस्ट भी कर रहे थे, कुछ लोग पैथोलॉजिकल लैब खोल दिए थे, कुछ लोगों ने कार्बन एमिशन के ऊपर बताया, कुछ बच्चे बायोलॉजी से रिलेटेड बताया। ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट्स वर वेरी गुड, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ट्राइड वेरी वेल। एंड फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद द consolation prize which has been given. There are 5 prizes. One is your consolation, one is the mega prize, and there are 3 first, second, third. So I will start with the consolation prize, and I want you all to clap for the winner because they have tried well. So the consolation prize goes to Nikhil and group who have made truck accident prevention. Give a big hand for them. Who is Nikhil and group? Raise your hand. Come up front. Nikhil and group, come up front. आगे आ जाइए. Come fast. Very well done. Stand here, stand here. Now coming to the third place has been secured by Nirvayan Group, regeneration in diversive growth, something like that. And the second prize goes to transmission of overload and power supply by 9A, Aryan and group. Give a big hand for them. They have secured the second prize. Now the first prize has been given to life safety with multiple ways. That is done by Abhishek and group. Give a big hand for them. Very well done. These are students of class 10B and most of them are girls, leading by one boy. And last but not the least, the mega prize. Any guesses? Huh? Everybody feels that? Yes, they have tried well. They have done something innovative. Although teachers have guided them and they have taken help of the Atal lab. And it is good that other students should also try to get the benefit of the lab which has been created. So yes, clap. Give a big round of applause for Arnav and group for border security system. So again, I would like to say that for me, all of you are winners. और late हो रहा है इसलिए हम लोग conclude करेंगे बहुत जल्दी। सब बच्चे आप घर जाएंगे अच्छे से और जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स है दैट विल बी गिवन टू यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स ड्यूरिंग द असेंबली और समवेयर लाइक दैट। प्रोजेक्ट को अच्छे से ले जाइएगा। हो सकता है आपको हम बार बार बताते हैं कि आप नए से शुरू करते हैं, जब आप हारते हैं तो आप सीखते हैं। बताया गया कि बल्ब के जो इन्वेंशन में था एडिशन, ही हैज ट्राइड सेवरल टाइम्स एंड ही हैज फेल्ड एंड फाइनली वो ये नहीं किया कि अपना प्रोजेक्ट छोड़ दिया कि हम दूसरा इन्वेंशन करेंगे, वो उसी में करता रहा, फाइनली ही सक्सीडेड। तो आज आप जो किए हैं एक लेवल आप ऊपर है, इसलिए प्रोजेक्ट को फेंकिएगा मत, उसी पे अगर कोशिश करेंगे हम इसको और कैसे एडवांस कर सकते हैं तो दैट विल बी अ बिग एज फॉर यू, क्योंकि आपका एक काम तो किया हुआ है। तो आप कोई भी बच्चा प्रोजेक्ट को ये नहीं डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करेगा। यू शुड गिव वैल्यू टू योर वर्क, योर एफर्ट। आपने मेहनत किया है, अपने मेहनत को ऐसे मत कीजिए कि हम रोड में गिरा दिए, तोड़ दिए, हम नहीं जीते। नहीं, आप कोशिश किए हैं, यू ऑल आर विनर। So all of you, all the winner, clap for all the other participants. All the winner need to clap for them because they are the one who have really tried very well. Okay, तो हम expect करें teachers will guide you और फोटो के बाद अच्छे से प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर घर जाना है आपको, कहीं गिराइएगा मत। And tomorrow we will have the normal classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational speech. आपके मार्गदर्शन और प्रेरणा से विद्यार्थियों को नई ऊर्जा और उत्साह मिलता है। सो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन एंड अगेन।